In the previous video, we saw how we can do searches in JIRA, how to create queries that we can tweak to our liking so that we find the issues that we are searching for. However, the basic search does have some limitations. One limitation is the fact that it cannot search all the fields. So for example, if I want to see the votes, this votes part here, I cannot do it with a basic search. The good thing is there's also an advanced search. And we'll have a look in this video how this advanced search works. I'm also going to post you links so that you can improve the advanced search while doing stuff on your own. So let's see how it looks. First of all, so you can switch from the basic to advanced by just clicking on advanced. And as you can see already, this lines here, this query here, is the equivalent of, go back to basics, this whole thing here, all these fields. But coming back to our votes, so let's see, remove this and say we want issues that have votes which are bigger than 0. As you can see, we have one issue here which has 1 vote. The full list of fields that you can search on, I'll post a link in the description, can be found in the Atlassian support for JIRA. Also, JQL or JIRA query language has some operators which it supports, and we're going to have a look at most of them right now. So let me just delete the votes part and start writing a query. So we have this test project 1. So we want a project that is equal to test project 1. And as you can see, while I'm typing, I get help. And that is of type, let's say, story. And that has the current user as an assignee. Let's click on search. It seems we have the only one result here. However, let's look at another tweak here. So we have here the type. We want to see now more than just a story. We want to see also the epics. So how do we do that? Go on the type and say type. And then if we go here, go to is, and make a parenthesis here. We say story and epic. Close the parenthesis. Seems we made a mistake. And JIRA tells us what we did wrong. So operator is does not support searching for non-empty values. Operator is does not support the list values. Okay, so let's go back here. We delete this. And let's try with the in. One other way, or a quicker way, until you get the hang of this, is to have a look at the operator and search for list. And as you can see, if I use the in, I can use this list. Let's go back in epic and story. And now I have all that epics and stories which belong to this project 1. Let's use another operator, or, and let's see, looking for attachment, which attachment is not empty. So let's see, we have 9 at the moment. So it found another one, 10. You will need to actually have a look at this page and go through all of the operators. Another one which maybe we can have a look at is contains and does not contain. Let me do contains. So we want all the issues which in the description contain the word test. And if we want to see all that do not contain, just make exclamation mark and tilde and search again. This query language is very powerful, so you can make very, very complex queries. We will see in a future video that if we add new fields to our JIRA, custom fields that we define ourselves, the normal JIRA, the basic format, will not always be able to search those fields, but the JQL, the JIRA query language, will be able to. So please, for this video, have a look at the 2 links which I'm going to post in the description and play around with. But basically, what you need is there in JIRA. So everything that you can see, JIRA will also allow you to query. In the next video, we're going to see how we can make changes to a lot of JIRAs at the same time. See you in the next one.